going to show you how to do this Beetlejuice inspired makeup look. First, I'm going to start off with the hair. I'm using this green color spray from Kryolan. I really liked the color of it, but I recommend if you use this spray, do it outside or somewhere well ventilated. I did it in my bathroom, and now I also have a very green bathroom. Now I'm going to start on the face. I found these cool Beetlejuice sponges at Primark, so I'm going to be using those to apply a white base. For the white, I'm using my Kryolan Aquacolor and applying that all over my face. I did one layer over my face and neck, and then I went in with a second layer just to give it some more coverage. Next, I'm setting it with a white powder. This one is from the brand Harlow, and I'm just going to put that all over my face and also a bit on my neck. After that, I'm going to go in and add some purple around my eyes. This is my first time trying the purple from this palette, and the consistency wasn't the best, but I'm just going to make it work for this. And I'm going to use this black water-based paint from Superstar. I'm wetting it with my brush and applying it over my eyelids and also under my eyes. Then I'm going to set it with a black eyeshadow and just smudge it out a bit and make it a bit darker looking. Now I'm using my Makeup Forever black color pencil. I'm just going to line my waterlines. Taking a different Beetlejuice sponge, I'm now using a green water-based paint from Superstar to mimic the moss on Beetlejuice. I'm looking at a photo of Beetlejuice as I do this just to kind of get a better idea on what areas I want to do green. Then I'm using a black eyeshadow to add some darker areas around the moss and make it just look a bit dirtier. And then using my sponge to also just kind of blend it a bit better with the green. For the lips, I'm lining them, then going in with a pinkish nude color. I originally tried doing a black lip, but I didn't like it. It was just too much. And then I didn't have a good purple to use, so I just went with this. And then I'm just touching up some more of the green areas. Now I'm going to grossen up my teeth. I'm using the Mehron Tooth FX in the color Spinach and just painting it all over my teeth. It has a bit of a funky, weird taste at first, so this is my attempt at making it dry by moving my hands. Anyway, that was the last step. Now I'm done with the hair and makeup and just need to change my clothes. I went with a black and white striped Beetlejuice jacket, and now I'm all ready to go. Let me know if you saw the new movie or try to recreate this look, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.